Motorola Moto G54 5G smartphone is packed with features that will blow your mind. Let's get into it. The Moto G54 5G boasts a spacious 6.5-inch display, perfect for gaming, streaming, or just browsing your favorite content. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio, your visuals will be crisp and vibrant. But what really sets this display apart is the 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and fluid scrolling and gaming experiences. Powering this device is a massive 6000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, whether you're a heavy user or not. The Moto G54 has you covered. When it comes to connectivity and charging, the Moto G54 features a Type-C port for USB 2.0. It's fast and convenient for both data transfer and charging your device. The Moto G54 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 802.11 support. Stay connected with the latest Bluetooth peripherals and enjoy seamless online experiences. Now I know you're curious about the price. The Motorola Moto G54 comes at an attractive price point of just $379. That's a fantastic deal for a smartphone with these specs and features. Let's not forget about what is in the box. Motorola is known for its thoughtful extras. With the Moto G54, you'll get a protective cover to keep your phone safe, a 33W charger for fast and efficient charging, a USB cable, guides to help you get started, and a handy SIM tool. Let us know in the comment section what you like about Motorola Moto G54 5G. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.